Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Chinese Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Chinese. You walk into a busy street in Beijing. Neon lights glow above you. Voices all around. Fast. Unfamiliar. Alive. Someone turns to you, smiles, and says something in Chinese. Your mind goes blank. You want to reply, but you don't know how. Now imagine something different. You smile, take a breath, and say, Ni hao. And suddenly, you're not just a visitor anymore. You're part of the moment. Today, in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to introduce yourself in Chinese. Clearly, confidently, and naturally. Let's begin. The first word you need is ni hao, pronounced ni hao. Let's slow it down. Ni hao. One more time. Ni hao. This means hello. It's simple, polite, and used everywhere. Now say it out loud. Ni hao. Good. Now, let's say your name. In Chinese you say Wo Jiao, pronounced Wo Jiao. Break it down. Wo means I. Jiao means am called. Together. Wo Jiao. Now add your name. For example, Wo Jiao Alex. Repeat after me. Wo Jiao. Now your name? Great. There's another way to introduce yourself politely. 我的名字是 pronounced 我的名字是 break it down 我的 means my 名字 means name. She means is. Together. 我的名字是 Now add your name. Excellent. To ask someone their name. Say 你叫什么名字 Pronounced 你叫什么名字 Let's go slowly. 你叫什么名字 This means, what is your name? Repeat after me. 你叫什么名字 Good. After introductions, say 很高兴认识你 pronounced 很高兴认识你 break it down 很 very 高兴 happy 认识 to meet 你 you together 很高兴认识你 try it great to ask where are you from say 你是哪国人 pronounced 你是哪国人 break it down 那 which 国 country ran person together 你是哪国人 to answer say 我是人 pronounced 我是人 example 我是菲律宾人 now try 我是人 your country so excellent now let us combine everything listen first 你好我叫 Alex 很高兴认识你我是菲律宾人 Now repeat with me 你好我叫很高兴认识你我是人 perfect Here a real conversation 你好你好我叫 Alex 你叫什么名字我叫李华很高兴认识你很高兴认识你你是哪国人我是中国人 Now it's your turn Answer out loud Say hello Say your name Say nice to meet you Say where you're from Amazing. You just introduced yourself in Chinese. think about this for a moment. Just minutes ago, you didn't know how to introduce yourself in Chinese. Now, you can start a conversation. You can connect. You can step into a completely new world. And this is only the beginning. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to keep the conversation going naturally and confidently. For now, practice these phrases slowly, clearly, out loud. Make them yours. 你好，我jiao. 很高兴认识你。我是 Rain. See you in the next lesson. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.